So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Technical Sunny. So friends, in today's video I will tell you that how can you use 7 unknown tricks about WhatsApp, and they work 90%. They will improve your WhatsApp quality and your WhatsApp Messenger improvements will shock everyone. These messages and these things are new improved. So for that, moving towards the topic. So for this we have to download one application, that is Smart Tool Pro. This is a new application. You just have to download it from Play Store. That first you have to go to Play Store and Smart Tool apps, and in that this app I will show you. This app you have to open and download it. After that, this type of interface will be appear. Before this interface, it will ask you some permissions. You just give that permissions, and then you will see this first one. Then I will tell you about this first one. Number 1. So enter emoji. So in this, that if you type any text, it will convert it into emoji. Okay, how I will show you. If I type hello, okay, and I have to select any emoji, that I have selected this emoji, okay, and this, see, and now it is converted the hello into emoji. H from emoji, E from emoji, double L from emoji, and O for emoji. So it's a new method, and from here you just can send it also. That again you just type and this is come, and from here you just click on fly button, hi, and from WhatsApp, and you just can send to anyone. See, hi, it is sent in a new unique way. No one can see that from where you have do this. Again is repeat the text. Friends, sometimes happen that you have to type something very long time, so for that I will tell you in this. Okay, here we have to type the word, that I will type thanks, and then here I will type the number, that is 100 times, and then I shuffle. After shuffling, it will type thanks in 100 times. See, 100 times thanks. It's a unique method. Now the next trick is direct message. Friend, if you don't want to feed any number in your mobile, but you have to give any WhatsApp message to that number, so you have to type this number here, and you have to select WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, and then you just have to fly, and then your WhatsApp page will be appear. Then you can do chatting without saving the number, and from here you just can change your country. Next is crazy stylish text. In this, the crazy stylish text, you can type and you can send new stylish text. Okay, that it is, suppose hi, I will type sunny, so it is typed sunny, and when I shuffle it, it will type sunny in very new ways, very new ways. See, sunny, 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 this, suppose sunny, this all is sunny. And suppose this you want to send, this one I will show you. Suppose this one you want to send, so click on fly button and select with WhatsApp, and you just send it. Then it will send the sunny in a unique way. It's a new method. Now blank text word. Friend, if you want to tell someone that I am online, and you don't want to write any message, but you have to only tell it, so this is very important. Here you can type the number, that how many words. Okay, you have to type the number 5 and 9, 15, only 5 I have typed, 5 lines. Okay, and then I will share it by WhatsApp to anyone. As you can see, the five words are sended, but they are blanked. Everyone will be shocked that from where you have done this. Now the next method is status saver. Friend, in Play Store there are many apps of status saver, but I like this most. This I will open it very easily. It is the status and photo. It is an photo on my mobile or of WhatsApp. From here I just can download it, and it is status saved. It's very easy. Again, it emoji transfer. Here if I type hello, then it will type hello in this way, and I will fly it very easily to anyone else. See, if you will type any word, it will convert it into emoji. The next is post feed. In this post feed you can type the viral messages and your messages to your friends and members. It is feed, okay. And it is post character. In this post character you can type your messages and that will be saved, and again you can send it from here. Suppose there are many peoples and you have to send one thing again, so you have to type this. Suppose I have typed hi, it is saved here. Again I type something, it will saved here. So friends, I hope that you like this video. Friend, if you like this video, please press the bell icon and never miss to watch my videos. Okay friends, bye bye, take care and be at home. Bye bye.